everybody. This is English with Mitch, a conversation. Today we are going to work on do and don't, or do not, right? Do and don't, or do not. In America, most people do not say do not. They say don't. So, let's get some practice. Do you like the beach? Yes, I do like the beach. Do you like the beach at night? No, I don't like the beach at night. Do you like warm sand? Yes, I do like warm sand. Do you like cold sand? No, I don't like cold sand. Do you like the water and the waves? Yes, I do like the water and the waves. Do you like the waves over your head? No, I don't like waves over my head. Do you like beach crabs? Yes, I do like beach crabs. Do you like to eat beach crabs? No, I don't like to eat beach crabs. Do you like seagulls? Yes, I do like seagulls. Do you like seagulls when they are loud? No, I don't like seagulls when they are loud. Do you like the park bench? Yes, I do like the park bench. Do you like to sit on the bench when it's wet? No, I don't like to sit on the bench when it's wet. Do you like the beautiful waves and sun today? Yes, I do like the beautiful waves and sun today. Do you like when it's cold in the water? No, I don't like it when it is cold in the water. Do you like to work all day and never go to the beach? No, I don't like to work all day and never go to the beach. Do you like to make sand castles? Yes, I do like to make sand castles. Do you like it when people destroy your sand castle? No, I don't like it when people destroy my sand castle. Do you like the footprints in the sand? Yes, I do like the footprints in the sand. Do you like to see huge footprints in the sand? No, I don't like to see huge footprints in the sand. Do you like the trees at the beach? Yes, I do like the trees at the beach. Do you like it when the trees fall down? No, I don't like it when the trees fall down. Okay, everybody, this is a nice tour for you. We are at La Jolla Shores. That was do and do not, or do and don't. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please send comments for any ideas of a video that you want. Bye-bye.